Hi, this is Ted. Today I'm going to tell you a little about what to do when you have non-existing results or different kinds of error messages as a result of a formula in Excel. So I have a spreadsheet here, and I just want to show you a couple of pitfalls you may encounter. And what I have is two columns of numbers, at least most of them are numbers. You'll see why they aren't all in just a minute. A and B, and I'm going to enter a formula here in column C that's just going to be X divided by Y. So I click on cell C2, just scroll in a little so you can see. I scroll in, I go to cell C2 and I type equals, and I click on A2 and I enter divided by, and I click on cell B2 and then I hit a return, and there's the result. 1 divided by 3 is 0.33333. Now I'm going to take that formula and I'm going to copy it down to all the other formulas. There's a couple of ways to do it, but the simplest way is just to click on the cell, go to the bottom right until the cursor changes to a solid plus, and either drag it down, or you can actually just go double click and it scrolls all the way down. Now we see some numbers, but we have a couple of problems here. In cell C5, we have a division by zero error, which you'll get anytime you try to divide a number by zero, where zero is in the denominator. And sure enough, we have that issue there. So if this really is a calculation that is meaningful, there may be an error here where B isn't actually zero. You should really look at where the numbers came from. The second one here is, looks like somebody inadvertently entered a letter instead of a number in cell A6. So that's another reason you can, if you have a problem with a value in Excel, you might have a text value where it should be a number. So I hope this was helpful. My name is Ted, and today I showed you some tips on what happens when you have a problem with the result of a formula in Excel. Thank you for watching.